Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about adjective and its kinds. So first of all we will discuss about what is an adjective and then about its different kinds. Now first of all look at the different examples. First example, Sita is a beautiful girl. I have a blue umbrella. He ate some rice. So in first sentence if we see Sita, which word is describing Sita best in the sentence? Beautiful. In second sentence the umbrella is being defined by the word blue. Rice is being defined by some. He ate some rice. How much quantity of rice he ate? Some. Sita is which kind of girl? Beautiful. I have a blue umbrella. Which type of umbrella I have? Blue. So all these three words here have been used as to describe the nouns properly. So these words are known to be as adjective because these highlighted word beautiful, blue and some are describing noun. So these words are acting here as adjective. From these three examples, we get the definition of adjective. That means a word which is used with noun to describe a person, place or a thing is known as adjective. So we can say adjective is the word which is used to describe a person, place or thing, and it is used with noun to describe its meaning. For example, we are taking the same example here. Sita is a beautiful girl. So here Sita is being defined, its quality is being defined by the word beautiful. So Sita is noun and beautiful is working as an adjective. Now here we will look at the kinds of adjective. First, adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. Third, numeral adjective, which is further divided into three parts: definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, distributive numeral adjective. Fourth, demonstrative adjective. Fifth, interrogative adjective, which we will study one by one. So here is the first type of adjective, adjective of quality. It shows the quality of a person or thing. From the words which we came to know about the quality of person, city or any object or anything, that word is known to be as the adjective of quality. In examples, Mohit is an honest man. So here the quality of Mohit is honest. So the noun Mohit is being defined by the honest. So it is a quality of Mohit. So it will work as an adjective of quality. Same in the second example, Delhi is a large city. So being large is a quality of city Delhi. So large is acting as an adjective of quality. Now look at the adjective of quantity. It shows how much of thing is meant. When we talk about the quantity of thing, in how much quantity the thing is required, at that time we use the adjective of quantity. For example, he has little intelligence. The quantity of his intelligence is very little. I ate some rice. The quantity of rice being eaten by me is some. So the word here some is describing the quantity of rice, little is describing the quantity of intelligence. So the word which shows the quantity of anything are known as adjective of quantity. Now see third part of adjective, numeral adjective, third kind. It shows how many person or things are meant. When we use the word to describe the number of persons or any object, at that time the word are known to be as numeral adjective. Example, most boys like cricket. Here the boys has been described by the word most. He bought few mangoes. The number of mangoes are few. So the word which are describing the number of object which may be countable and uncountable are comes under numeral adjective. Here we will study about the three different kinds of numeral adjective. First kind of numeral adjective is definite numeral adjective, where it denote an exact number. When we talk about the number which is uncountable, first it is further divided into two parts. Cardinal means as it sounds cardinal, countable. That means 1, 2, 3. When the numbers are countable, we will use cardinal numeral adjective definite. For example, he has 3 pens. 3 is being countable. When we define the order, we use ordinals. First, second, third. He came first in the class. When you can count, you will use cardinals. When you cannot count, you define the order, you will use ordinals. So definite numeral adjective are those which denote an exact number which can be counted. Here is second part of numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, which is opposite of definite. That means it do not denote an exact number, where we cannot talk about the number in countable form. Here the quantity will be shown which is uncountable. For example, all, many, few, some, any, several, certain, sundry. These words come under indefinite numeral adjective. Here is an example also. He wrote many books on India. So many, here the books are books. Book can be counted, but we cannot have an idea how many books he has written on India. So indefinite numeral adjective are those words which cannot define an exact number of something. Third part of numeral adjective, third kind, Distributive numeral adjective, it also work like distributive determiner, which we have discussed in the video. Each, every, either, neither, all four comes under this. It refers to each one of a number when we talk about personal particular thing in a distribution form. For example, each boy must complete his work. Here we are talking about particular boy. Neither dress was good. Here we are talking about in the negative sense that both the dress, we have two choices, but none of them was good. So here we are also going particular. Now look at the fourth kind of adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. Demonstration means to point out particular person or thing. Those boys must be punished. It is talking about pointing to the boys, that those boys must be punished, that is in plural. I hate such things. Here the things are being pointed out by using word such. So those words which point out to a person or a thing or any object are known as demonstrative adjective. Now look at the fifth kind of adjective, that is interrogative adjective. As the name suggests, interrogative, used with noun to ask questions, is always used with noun to ask questions. So the word which are used with nouns to ask questions, such as whose book is this, where do you live, in both the sentence, if you can see whose and where, which have been highlighted, are the words which are referred to this in the sentence for asking the questions. So these words are known as interrogative adjective. I hope with this content of adjective and its kind, you would be able to understand the things. If there is any doubt regarding any point, you can write it in the comment.